So we are in class 10, chapter mensuration, exercise number 20. Question number 1. What is given? A cone of height 15 centimeter and diameter how much? 7 centimeter is mounted on a hemisphere. Cone is mounted on hemisphere. Diameter of cone and hemisphere is same, and you have to find out the volume of solid thus found. So diagram is already given here. A cone is whose height is given as 15 centimeter. This is its height. And diameter is given 7 centimeter. So radius will be how much? 7 by 2 centimeter. So if you have to find out volume of solid, its volume is to be calculated. So it will be volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and volume of hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. What we'll do? We'll take 1 by 3 pi and r as common. So what is left here? H, and here left is 2r. We'll put the value 1 by 3 into 22 by 7. R is given 7 by 2. Height is given how much? Height is given 15 centimeter. 2 into radius is how much? 7 by 2. This 2 and 2 are cancelled. This 7 will cancel this 7. This 2 will cancel 22, 11. So it will come as 11 by 3 into 15 plus 7. That is equal to 11 into 22 by 3. That is equal to 11 2 is 22, 232 by 3. So 3 8 is 21 in hand 2. 21, 22, 3 8 is 21, and then 88.33 centimeter cube. That will be your answer. So now we are in question number 3 of same exercise. It says about a rectangular solid, which is dimension is given 42 by 30 by 20. So dimension is 42 by 30 by 20. So this is solid. Its dimension is given 42 into 30 into 20 centimeter. It is rectangular solid. And what is given next line? From it a conical cavity is cut. So let us consider a conical cavity is of diameter 14 centimeter and depth is 24 centimeter. So we'll take a conical cavity here. Conical cavity is cut from it. Its depth is given how much? Depth is given 24 centimeter, and its diameter is given how much? 14 centimeter. So its radius will be 7 centimeter. And first part of question is asking about surface area of remaining solid. To find out surface area of remaining solid, what we'll do? At first we'll find out surface area of this cuboid. So surface area of cuboid, and then we'll add this surface area. That is curved surface area of cone, and from it we'll subtract this region. We'll get this region. To get this region, we'll add subtract this area. This area is what? Area of circle. So it will be pi r square. So this will behave as area of surface area of remaining solid. So formula for area of cuboid, surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL plus, since this cone is of height 24 centimeter and radius is 7 centimeter, so we'll find out its slant height. Slant height will be 24 square plus 7 square. It will come out as 25 centimeter. So it is 22 by 7 into its radius is how much? 7 into 25, and from it we are subtracting this region. This region is circle, that is pi r square. 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So what will happen? 2 into length into breadth, that is equal to 42 into 30 plus 30 into 20 plus 20 into 42. minus 7 is cancelling this, 7 is cancelling this, minus 22 into 25 will be plus, this is plus 550, and from it this is 154. After calculation this value will come out as, after calculation will come out as 5796 centimeter square. Second part of question says you have to find out the volume of solid, remaining solid. You have to find out volume of remaining solid. To find out volume of remaining solid, what we'll do, from volume of this cuboid we will subtract volume of this cone. So volume of remaining solid will equal to volume of cuboid minus volume of cone. Volume of cuboid is how much? Length into breadth into height, and volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Length is given 42, this 42 into 30 into 20 minus 1 by 3, 22 by 7. Radius is given 7 into 7. Height is almost 24. After calculation, you will find that this one is coming out as 25200 minus, after cancellation, 3 8 are 24. So it will come out as 1232 centimeter cube. And your answer will come out as 23968 centimeter cube. We are coming to the third part. The third part of question is you have to find out volume of material drilled out. Means volume of cone. Since cone is drilled out, so this is coming out as 1232 into 7 gram. That is equal to how much? 8624 gram. When you will convert in kilogram, it will come out as 8.624 kilogram. We are in question number 5. It is given a vessel is in the form of inverted cone. Inverted cone is a, and its radius is given 5 centimeter, and height is given 8 centimeter. It is full by water, full of water up to brim. And what is to be done? Some lead sorts are put inside. Obviously, when lead sorts are put inside, then some volume of water will come out. So, as per information provided by book, when lead sorts are inserted inside the cylinder cone, then 1/4 the volume of water will be coming out. So we'll first consider that let the number of lead sorts be n. So what will happen? Volume of n lead sorts will be equal to 1 by 4 the volume of a cone, because cone in containing water. It implies that n into volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi cap small r cube, that is equal to 1 by 4 into volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi small r square h. Pi will be cancelled by pi. So it is n into 4 by 3 into r cube. R cube will put the value. R is given 1 by 2. Radius is 0.5, so that can be written as 5 by 10 meter, can be written as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 3. Radius of cone is given 5. So 5 into 5, and height is given 8. So what will happen? This 2 will cancel, and this 2 and 2 will cancel this 4. 4 is cancelled. So it will come out as n by 3 2 just 6 is equal to, now 4 will cancel this at 2 times. So that is equal to 5 5 just 25 2 just 50 by 3. So if you want to get the value of n, n will be 50 by 3 into 6. 3 will cancel 6 times, 2 times. So your answer will be 50 into 2, that is equal to 100 lead sorts. We are in question number 8, where what is given? Two cones are there. First cone radius is R1, second cone radius is R2, and their height is same. They are together melted and recasted into a spherical body whose radius is given R. We have to find out relation between, we have to find value of H in terms of R1, in terms of R2 and this R. So obviously melting and recasting is there. So volume of this cone plus volume of this cone will be volume of the sphere. Volume of this cone will be 1 by 3 pi R1 square H. It will be 1 by 3 pi R2 square H. And its volume will be 4 by 3 pi R cube. What will do? 1 by 3 pi and H we are taking common. So it will be R1 square plus R2 square. that is equal to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Obviously, you know that pi is going to be cancelled by pi, 3 is going to be cancelled by 3. So what is coming out? H into R1 square plus R2 square, that is equal to 4R cube. Since we want to get the value of H, it will be 4R cube divided by R1 square plus R2 square, and this will be your answer.